everyone. So today I bring up some Udemy free courses for you. These are the paid courses, and since it has a coupon code, so it will be free for you. So it is a time limited coupon. So please redeem the courses as soon as possible. So first starts with the Python programming for the beginners. If someone wants to start with Python, it has 8 hours plus course time, so you can start with this. Second would be the another with the Python with a for the data science person and which having a 2 hours course. Next is a Python and Java includes that has a 4 hours plus course. Again, that's free and everything will be free. Next will be like R programming, with again for a data science and the data engineer people. So this is 2.5 hours course. This is 2.5 hours course of MongoDB. So you can also redeem that. You have a JavaScript and jQuery and TypeScript. That is a very good course of 6 hours course. Then there is a Java Mastery course, which includes 7 hours of course time. Then it comes the Data Analyst Complete course from basic to advanced. It has 15.5 hours of course. Then it comes to Git and GitHub. So it has 6.5 hours course. Then we come here Jenkins. So it has a 4 hours course. Then for the LLM on Azure, it has a 2.5 hours course. Azure Infrastructure Managing the Code as JSON format or the ARM template, that has 6.5 hours of course. CI/CD YAML pipeline with Azure DevOps, so you can redeem that, and that has a 5 hours of course. Advanced Excels, that has a 4.5 hours of course. The Microsoft Word Excel PowerPoint, a complete course you can say, that has a 7 hours of course. And the Microsoft 365 with PowerPoint, it has includes the Copilot and it has 5.5 hours no, course time. And the Excel is there, so Excel course is there, it has a 2 hours time. And the Microsoft Excel data analyst and the business and the finance person, so that has 4 hours time. Then prompt engineering includes 3 hours time. Then Microsoft Copilot and designer includes 2 hours of course time. And someone is preparing for GitHub Copilot examination, so that has a practice test, so they can practice on Udemy, that's also free. And someone is trying to build a better profile on LinkedIn or Twitter, which is currently X, so they can also get this course and they can also brand themselves. Thank you. Please note that all the courses link are available on the description box. Please get the link from the description box. These links are valid for very limited time, or like it's you can say it's first come first served basis. Please redeem it soon. If you want to get more such coupons, please subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on so that you can get the updated courses. Thank you so much.